showing you the Volvo luxury motorhome. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to Dream Drive Homes.
When most people think of recreational vehicles, they imagine modest campers or standard RVs suitable for weekend getaways. But there exists an entirely different echelon of mobile living, one where luxury, engineering excellence, and automotive prestige converge to create something truly extraordinary. The stunning copper and charcoal masterpiece you're looking at represents the pinnacle of this exclusive world. A Volvo-based luxury motorhome that redefines what it means to travel in style. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement of uncompromising quality and sophisticated taste. Built on Volvo's legendary bus chassis platform, these motorhomes represent the marriage of Swedish engineering precision with American luxury customization. The result is a rolling mansion that offers amenities and comfort levels that rival high-end hotels, all while providing the freedom to wake up to a different scenic view every morning. The foundation of any great motorhome is the chassis it's built upon, and Volvo provides one of the most respected platforms in the industry. Known for their durability, safety features, and smooth ride quality, Volvo chassis have been the choice of discerning RV manufacturers for decades. The heavy-duty construction can support the substantial weight of luxury amenities while maintaining excellent road handling and stability. The advanced air suspension system absorbs road imperfections, ensuring that fine china stays secure in the cabinets and passengers enjoy a remarkably smooth journey, even on less than perfect highways. The exterior design of these luxury Volvo motorhomes is nothing short of breathtaking. The sweeping curves and aerodynamic profile aren't just for aesthetics, they significantly improve fuel efficiency and reduce wind noise at highway speeds. The distinctive copper and bronze metallic paint finish catches light beautifully, creating a warm, premium appearance that turns heads at every fuel stop and campground. High-quality automotive paint protection ensures this stunning finish withstands years of sun, exposure, and road conditions without fading or deteriorating. Large, panoramic windows strategically positioned throughout the coach serve dual purposes. They flood the interior with natural light, creating an airy, open atmosphere that counteracts any sense of confinement. Simultaneously, they provide occupants with unobstructed views of the surrounding landscape, whether that's mountain vistas, coastal scenery, or forest canopies. The tinted glass provides privacy and UV protection while maintaining outward visibility, a perfect balance of form and function. Storage capacity is often the Achilles heel of smaller RVs, but luxury Volvo motorhomes address this concern comprehensively. The substantial basement storage compartments, accessible through multiple large pass-through bays, can accommodate everything from outdoor furniture and sports equipment to tools and seasonal clothing. These compartments are often lined with durable materials and feature LED lighting, making it easy to locate items even in low-light conditions. Some configurations include slide-out storage trays that bring items within easy reach without requiring you to crawl deep into the compartments. Step inside, and you're immediately transported into a world of refined elegance. The interior typically spans between 400 to 500 square feet of meticulously designed living space. High-end residential furniture replaces the standard RV fare, think genuine leather recliners, solid wood cabinetry with soft close drawers, and premium fabric upholstery that would be at home in any luxury residence. The attention to detail is remarkable, with hand-stitched accents, custom woodwork, and designer hardware throughout. The salon area serves as the heart of the motorhome, functioning as both an entertainment center and a social gathering space. Large flat-screen televisions, often 55 inches or larger, integrate seamlessly into custom cabinetry. Advanced audio systems with multiple zones allow different entertainment options in various areas of the coach simultaneously. The seating arrangements typically include theater-style recliners or a comfortable sofa that can convert into additional sleeping space when needed. Overhead storage is artfully concealed behind elegant cabinet doors, maintaining the residential aesthetic while providing practical storage solutions. The galley kitchen in these luxury motorhomes rivals what you'd find in high-end apartments. Full-size residential refrigerators with ice makers replace smaller RV-specific models, providing ample space for fresh food and beverages. Convection microwaves, induction cooktops, and sometimes even full ovens enable serious cooking on the road. The countertops are genuine stone, granite, or quartz, with integrated sinks and premium faucets. A large kitchen island often provides additional prep space and serves as a casual dining area with barstool seating. Extensive cabinetry offers storage for cookware, dishes, and pantry items, with many designs incorporating pull-out spice racks, utensil organizers, and dedicated wine storage. The master bedroom in a luxury Volvo motorhome is a private sanctuary designed for ultimate comfort. A king-size residential mattress, often from premium brands, ensures restful sleep after long days of travel or exploration. The sleeping area typically features designer bedding, reading lights with dimmer controls, and ample storage, including walk-in closets with built-in organizers. Large windows with blackout shades allow you to control both natural light and privacy. Many layouts include a dedicated workspace or vanity area within the bedroom, perfect for working remotely or preparing for the day in comfort. The bathroom facilities in these coaches are genuinely impressive, often featuring full-size porcelain toilets, spacious walk-in showers with glass enclosures and rainfall shower heads, and substantial vanity areas with solid surface countertops. Some luxury models even include residential-style bathtubs or washer-dryer combinations. Heated floors add a touch of spa-like luxury, while premium fixtures and finishes maintain the high-end aesthetic throughout. Adequate storage for towels, toiletries, and personal care items is thoughtfully integrated into the design. The technology integration in modern Volvo luxury motorhomes is sophisticated and comprehensive. Touchscreen control panels manage all coach systems including lighting, climate control, leveling jacks, and slide-out operation. Multiple climate zones allow personalized comfort in different areas of the coach. The electrical system typically includes substantial battery banks, often lithium-ion for extended off-grid capability, paired with high-output inverters and solar panel arrays. Advanced monitoring systems provide real-time information about tank levels, battery status, and system diagnostics. Safety and convenience features reflect Volvo's automotive heritage. Backup cameras with multiple angles, tire pressure monitoring systems, and collision warning systems enhance driver confidence. The powerful diesel engine, often a Volvo or Cummins unit producing 400 horsepower or more, provides effortless highway cruising and the ability to handle mountain grades while towing a vehicle. Air brakes with ABS ensure confident stopping power, while the exhaust brake assists with descents. The lifestyle afforded by owning such a vehicle extends far beyond mere transportation. It represents freedom from the constraints of traditional vacation planning, no more searching for available hotel rooms or dealing with restaurant reservations. Your home travels with you, complete with all your favorite amenities and personal touches. Whether spending winters in warm climates, exploring national parks, or visiting family across the country, the journey becomes as enjoyable as the destination. Maintenance and service considerations are important aspects of luxury motorhome ownership. While these coaches represent significant investments, typically ranging from several $100,000 to over $1 million, they're built to provide decades of service when properly maintained. The Volvo chassis components benefit from widespread service availability, and many luxury motorhome manufacturers offer comprehensive warranty programs and dedicated customer support. The community of luxury motorhome owners is tight-knit and welcoming, with numerous clubs, rallies, and events bringing like-minded travelers together. These gatherings provide opportunities to share travel tips, explore new destinations, and form lasting friendships with others who appreciate the luxury motorhome lifestyle. Ultimately, a Volvo luxury motorhome represents the convergence of adventure and comfort, freedom and luxury. It's for those who refuse to compromise, who believe that exploring the world shouldn't mean sacrificing the comforts of home. Whether you're drawn by the engineering excellence, the luxurious appointments, or the promise of endless horizons, these remarkable vehicles offer an unparalleled way to experience the open road.